everybody doing? Let's get this party started, right? Yes. Yes, party started. Let's go. Here we go. So first things first. Louis, what's up? 550 or about to remember I should have said 660 over. Louis, I hopped on and I saw that it hit solidly and I was like, oh, Louis is gonna wake up so happy right now. Overdose indeed, look for long opportunity. Let us see what we get. Let us see what we get. Having a look at this quickly. Okay, it might spike down a tiny bit first. What's up, the random hero? Are you guys ready for today?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
It's gonna be goody. It's gonna be a goody. I'm excited. Like watching all of this, I'm a little bit bummed, but it is what it is. Ugh, man. Like watching it just trending up here. That being said, I don't actually know if there would have been a possible trade for me, but that's fine. We now have time. Let us mark out all of our shindigs. It's now solidly moved. So does that mean... Does that mean that New York, I mean, yeah, New York is actually going to move properly, or does it mean that New York's going to be meh now that this has moved so much? There's our London low. Alright, over there is another one, so there's still all that sell side liquidity. Here's the high. Not going to mark it, I'm just going to leave it up there because clearly there's going to be some liquidity up there. Okay, that's about all I need from that duty bop over there. Okay, still have our midnight marked out. We have London low, we have Asia low still. And the new daily opening gap. Right down there. Okay, let's do this. I did. Wait, I mean it. Oh my gosh, Louis, overdose indeed. How's everyone doing? Are we pumped, I guess? I want to say we're pumped. Are we pumped for this? It's going to take upper liquidity, then come down. Okay. So overdose indeed, that's what you think it's going to do. It's going to head for that upper liquidity and then come down. You know what? Just the fact that we're not going sideways right now is making me happy. That's just how low my standards are right now. Just, it's not going sideways. So I'm happy. Anyways, quick top to bottom analysis. Let's see what we got. So daily. Just up and away. A little bit of a wiki wick happening or starting to form. Wonder if we're going to come back for this imbalance at 28200. Yeah, around the 28200 level. Overdose, I know you're saying might want to spike up first and then go back down. Still a possibility. Again, you know, all-time highs. Trend is friend until it's not. Stop looking for shorts until it's short. Right? I'm gonna send you money for a Coca-Cola shirt bet. Deal. Casimir will not stand. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Now let's check the 4 hour. Like I said, guys, I'm very much in a whatever mood, which is a good thing and a bad thing because it does mean that if something comes, I'll just be like, let's just throw it on and see what happens. Which means today could be quite fun. Four hour, let's check the 1 hour. I know you can't predetermine a tilt, but this might be it. Sorry, someone sent me something random. See, according to this now, we have actually gone into this bullish fair value gap. Okay, so we have tapped into the bullish fair value gap. Let's see if we're going to get a little bit of a flip back up, if it's going to come further back down. If this rejects solidly off of this bullish fair value gap, yep, you're right, then the bulls are in play. We also have a, I keep forgetting, I just call it the wickless. We have a wickless candle over there, which makes me think it does want to come back up. This is all just on the hour. Let's check the 15 minute. I know I'm talking fast. I don't know why. We're just going with it. Okay. Low-key speaking like an auctioneer. Anyways, now on to me. Like I said, tapped into this bullish fair value gap. Still looks pretty strong though on the 15 minute. Let's see if this is going to reject off of it. Kinda doesn't look like it wants to right now. Then again, anything is possible. Okay. That's the 15 minute. Let's check the 5 minute. I forgot where we were. Okay. Yeah, 5 minute. Could go back a little bit further into the order block. It has closed below VWAP on NQ, or MNQ, but it's still stuck on it on ES. Let's see if ES breaks below it or not. Okay. Let's do this thing. Just 15 that quite well today. Sorry, just quickly checking things. Gotta hit London at midnight time clusters. I know, again, hopefully it's not the same thing as this morning. Yo, I'll be bummed if it is. I'm gonna watch this out of curiosity and see how it looks. Okay. Sorry, a little bit itchy, and then of course this is in the way. The border at the end of the chat box always makes me think of big. Oh, sorry. Like an optical illusion. I guess it doesn't help that it's basically the exact same flipping color here. Oh, oopsies. So direction shift to upside. Let's see, this could be the rejection. Oh, I see it also kind of popped out of this bob level. Let's see here what we get. Oh man. It wasn't pre-market. I would be kind of keen on this. Damn, this is an A+ setup. Damn it. That was a solid A+ setup just before New York Open. Shoot. Look at that. That literally would have been like chef's kiss. Look at that trade. This was a solid A+. 1, 2, 3, boom. Only downside was the fact that it was inside the bob level, but with regards to the VWAP, the fair value gap, and my little shelvy shelves, that was such a nice freaking trade. Damn it. Okay. That's frustrating. Look at that perfect trade in one candle done. Well, that's irritating to start this off. Let's see. Hopefully we get more of those. That was beautiful. We get something to the upside where it can retest back into that would be awesome. Let's see what we get at open. Now I'm getting a little bit excited. Now I feel like actually some really good setups are gonna pop up. Blue, you're still in cells. They're scaring people to leave its A+. Target is the midnight. Okay. 5 minutes to go. Are we ready? Anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope you're doing amazing. Like I said, let's see what we get from this. Hey, Youngin, what's up? How you doing? You sold where my stop loss was up there. Cool. So you're still in the cells. They're scaring people to sleep. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Let's see what we get now. Hey, Dom, what's up? Why are these not coming through? Guys, I am so sorry. Okay, I'm going to close and restart. Oh my gosh, everyone on the vertical, I'm so sorry. I haven't been ignoring you. I'm so sorry. I literally haven't seen it. What's up, Debbie? What's up? Kujan, everyone. I am so sorry. Okay, wait. Let's redo this thing. I apologize. I am mortified. I feel like I was ignoring you guys. Not on purpose though, I promise. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, let's see. Hopefully the chat pops up properly now. Ayo, Jody, what's up? Middle finger to the vertical crew. Oh, flip. Okay. Hopefully, it works now. 2 minutes to go. Okay. Okay, well that one's working. Horizontal, honestly, so it was the killer entry. Too bad I was asleep. That's it. Cool. Looks good. Now looks good. Okay. Now we have a functioning chat. Well, it's functioning as it can be. There's a guy offering you. Don't go with him. Well, I had someone saying that if I went to Greece, I could get like free food. So I'm like, Greece. Greece could be fun. There is. Debbie, no, I'm so sorry. I'm here. Hey, Demonte, how you doing? Vertical doesn't have a chat. Now it does. Oh no. Oh dear. Type a little bit more things. Type a little bit more. There we go. Ah, there we go. It's coming. Nobody panic. It's coming.
That's what she said.
Oh, shoot, guys. Okay, let's do this. Had some really good pre-market trade on my sim account just to test out a strategy. Nice, Eddie. What is wrong with you guys? Oh, flip. Y'all are bad. I hope you know that. Midnight, 10 seconds. Woo! Thank you for reminding me.
Okay, let's go.
Just in time. Nailed it. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Asia high 1 hour, but we also have a 1 day if you value gap to Asia low, so wouldn't surprise me if we hit that before going back up. Live sound? Yep. Listen, Midnight. 9:30. Okay, 20 seconds to go. Ooh, ES is not moving right now. Yeah, ES is really not moving at all. Bluxom, look at this candle. Check out the difference. Opening, opening. Alrighty then, that's not what you want to see. Okay, let's do this thing. 9:30 candle! Beep, 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 beep. Here we go. That I've been wrong a lot lately. Drops to 28296, then jumps to 28495. Oh, not quite. Well, we still have time, right? Hey, Kujan. No absorption. I'm still butthurt about that damn trade. Oh well. That was very aggressive. Hello, Atlanta. What's up? How you doing? I don't know why I said it like that. What's up, Atlanta? Okay. Did submit an order now on the 15-second ES. Let's see what we get. Let's see if this comes to tag us in or not. You always use that nerd voice, do I? Well, hello there, as she bats her eyelid. Oh, flip, you guys are funny. Do you know what I find funny? It's the fact that I actually genuinely do not know how to do any of that. How do I put this? That girly stuff, like the flirting or the manipulation. Like I can't. I don't know how to do that. I am awkward as heck. I'm a genuinely awkward potato. Just woke up and I'm going to decide. See? I'm sad. Wow. Your apologies. Wow. Wow. Did it with the Jedi thing. The Jedi thing? What Jedi thing? Did you just throw a bit of ankle and beat my chest? Damn! Calm down, Life Sound. That's a bit intense. That's a bit intense. Sure, you're gonna have... This is like PG-13 here. You can't be showing ankle and flipping beating your chest at people. Gosh. Nerdcon wasn't even dressed like... I don't know. You really wanted people to go crazy, then you would dress up as Princess Leia in the gold bikini. Just saying. Yeah, this is just a sprinting away right now, so that's cool. So definitely on ES we got buyers. What's it look like on NQ? Mother fluffer. Ah! It's not what I wanted. Oh, it would have just missed. That's rough. Okay. Yep, okay, that's just running away. Awesome. Let's have a look back this side. Okay, so first presented right here. Oh, shoot, I need to focus. The heck did I do that? Anyways, first presented. Oh man, that was actually quite beautiful. I wouldn't have been able to get an entry there, but that was quite a nice little rejection of that first presented fair value gap right there. I've said that's hilarious. Sorry. Do that. Oh, well, I'll see. Okay, I'm back. Diversity, what's up? Silver long earrings. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Oh yeah, the gold bikini. When did you say that was gonna happen? Asking for a friend, Louis. It's not happening? You can tell your friend that. Anyways, I'm dressing man. At least momentarily. We're now in reversal. Hello, sweetie pie. Attention to short. I predict it would work, but then you get a way more in. Yeah. Oh, hey, QA. Did I say that correctly? So the first presented fair value gap is the fair value gap. You do have ones during London and Asia. I just don't quite know. I don't know those ones very well. But the New York first presented fair value gap is, well, as is in the name, it's the first fair value gap that presents itself after the New York opening at 9:30 a.m. So you can see here was 9:30 a.m. nothing. 9:31 nothing. 9:32 we finally got a fair value gap, and it's the first presented one. It tends to just be a little bit more respected / magnetic. That's, yeah. And like anything, some days it works beautifully. I mean, look at that rejection there. And other days might as well not be there, right? Gold bikini and 20k subscribers. Oh, and 20k. No, absolutely not, Demonte. Number one, I'd have to go and find a gold bikini. That's like impossible. I'm trying to decide if I should do this one. Yeah, I'm gonna have this one here. Let's see, I might want to see a little bit of a rejection off of it. Sorry. DJ, ew, what's ew? Have that one there, although this could reject solidly off of it. Let's see. Let's see what we get here. Okay. Just has to reject 2 points on ES. I need to email go bikini. Yeah, where it been my kids. Oh, Life Sound. There's the deal right there. Life Sound will wear the gold bikini. Life Sound, I think you're a guy, right? I just threw up internally. Oh, flip. No, I want to see that. That'll be brilliant. Okay, order filled. Let's see if this is a quick. There's the rejection. Yeah. There it went to 75%. Okay. Yo, you gotta be quick with this, dude. Sure. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey, nice little win there. Cool, cool, cool. That was a goodie. That was a goodie. That's the type of rejection you want off of these. That was nice. Okay, let's see if we can do that a few more times. All right. Just gotta do that a few more times, then we're good to go. Very nice rejection right there. Okay. Next up, like I said, my next one would probably be down here. If it gets all the way down there, though, it might come down with some oomph. I might not respect it. Let's see, though. Okay, but that was a nice little win there. Let's head back to the 1 minute charts. See what we got. Hey, check how it jumped out of that first presented fair value gap. That's what I'm talking about. That was good. Ah, sugar honey iced tea. Oh, please give me something good here. Please give me something good here. That was such a good one. I don't even think I could take this. Not really. If it goes a little bit higher and we get a retracement, I might be able to take this one. Let's see. Right, I just got edged. No! What happened? Hey DJ, what's up? I predict blue and a nose ring on that. Yeah, I'm going first person. I predict blue and nose ring. Da, 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 da. What's wrong with colorful hair and a nose ring, Louis? I've got a nose ring. And I've got purple hair right now. Okay. Anyways. She's scared. I'm feeling that she's running. Got edged. Okay, I just know. Anyway. Keeps retesting there. Tiny bit of a SMT just created now. Buyers are definitely stronger on M and Q. Oh, you mean a septum? Ah, never mind. I'm bullish bias for today, not gonna be fighting my friend today. Love it. Finding the right woman to meet. The hard part. What a weird sentence to read right there. Finding the right woman to mate with. Okay, anyways. We come back to 9:30. LMW, I did. I was actually live when the news came out and that candle was ridiculous. Sure, it jumped up. How much was it? Like 150 points? More? Yeah, lights down. I don't look purple. It looks like a light now. Just green. Yeah, it's not like the best job. You can kind of see it. I thought you would see it better on the white. No, not really. The dark purple. I have dark hair, you know. I have dark hair, and it's not like permanent color. Wee K. Ironically, I would have actually been more keen on this trade, but that obviously goes against everything. Good morning. What's up, Tyler? How are we doing? Who are you in on buys? Let's go. TP 550 again. What's with you in the 550? Just going, gone at this point, damn. ES is fighting it. Why is ES fighting it so much? Into bob level. Seems to be a lucky spot to target. That's valid. Right, that's just the top of the 5-minute candle. That's just what I'm taking note of. Damn, that's actually quite a 110.5-minute candle. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. ES still wants to push down. Just by the way. Still doing AM right. I feel like one. What did I? Oh, with the bias. Yeah, ES has not moved at all. Yeah, ES is just chilling. NQ's moving. I'm up 1K today. Hey, well done. That's it. I'm making my hooker really. Huge whoop whoop for anyone that's in the green today. Damn absorption. Keen on this going back down. Which is where it's going. Don't want 20 bucks. Yes, it's swept out pre-market high and lows. Now it just needs to see which one it wants to respect. Literally. Oh, thank you. If this falls over, we can get clean price action. That would be amazing. Success, the breakfast of champions. But I guess. What do people that aren't champions eat? Is it bacon? If it's bacon, I'm going for bacon. Bruh. ES has only moved like 7 points. There we go. Now it's starting to push while MNQ is dropping a little bit. What the heck is going on today? Okay. Cornflakes. Life sound. Yeah, that got me with the cornflakes. That's valid. Flip.
Nice.
I eat the heart of my enemies. Damn! That was dark as heck. They have failuros. Oh man. Y'all are funny. Mother fluffer. Sorry. No, I'd left it there. That would have actually been a freaking win. Shoot. Oh well. It's fine. This isn't quite taking out the high on ES. It's really struggling. One and Q, don't do me wrong. Let's get to 5. Potty mouth, my bad. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. Just okay. Bull flag forming on gold right now on the 5-minute. What did you say? That you have to be sorry? I said Mother Fluffer. I'm supposed to say Mother Hubbard. Mother Hubbard. PG-13 when I get her. You're over here not being a lady. Disgusting. Should just be better. Gosh. Whoop. There it is. freaking bob to bob. I was just considering that trade. Wow. Damn. Are we just ranging betwixt this bob level? Rejection off of there. Louis, did that take you out? It was like 70-year-olds. Ew! Louis, gross. What's wrong with you? Well, that was a loss on ES. You guys didn't even see it. I just heard... What? Order filled! Order filled! Oh, wait, what? Oh, it was a win! Oh! Oh? Oh! What? This was actually a winning trade, bro. That's cool. So remember my entry was here. And I left it up there. Shoot, it was too. Jumped in and out so quickly, but it was actually a winning trade. Hey! Top 5. Okay. That was lame. Let's pretend I didn't just do that. But... okay then. Guess the question is what next? Let's see. That was insane though. I literally thought that was a loss. I thought it just went in and like took me out. Apparently it went in and rejected off of that level. Ooh, look at me go, damn. Okay. Let's see what we might potentially be able to get next. Still not the biggest fan of this just yet. Okay. Back here we go. Let's see what ES is doing. ES is there. NQ is there. After it would have very rudely taken me out, it looks like it's now gonna be a little bit more respectful. Little tippy tap into the volume imbalance on ES. Going into these wiki wicks over here. Yeah, maybe you know what a fluffer is. Those chicks have to bull the bear that fuck away. What? Where's OTT? OTT? That's... okay. Thanks! Thanks for that one, Life Sound. Thanks for that one. Now, now I can't say that. Ever again. I just literally meant like fluffy. That... thanks. Day ruined. Anyways, moving on. Bob to bob to bob. Bob, bob, bob. Not a single A+ setup for me. Strong rejection off of the VWAP on ES right now. No, but my kidney is a dude. I was waiting for this correction. Life Sound has a wife, I think. Life Sound? Yes? Yes. Dump. No, first presented does not always work. Strongly disagree with you on that one, sorry. Kept submitted another order on the 15-second. It might not quite reach there. Let's see if it does retrace. It's not a bad spot to put it. So let's see. It could come and mess me up, but it just has to be a slight jump back up. Oh, damn. Why? Okay, I'm gonna close it just because of the fact of why did it not do what? Huh? Didn't use. That was random. Okay, well, it would have been a loss. So I guess luckily it did that in a weird way. But we're up a little bit more, so that's cool. Still jumping around slightly. Let's see if we get something else a little bit later. Cannot tell me we're doing bob to bob again. It's actually getting insane now. You know what's frustrating is that this is still kind of going sideways, just not... It's going sideways with volatility. I think that's what I'm trying to say. It's going sideways just with volatility. Yep, she's put up with me for 16 years. Oh yeah, he's not wrong, it's true, I just looked it up. They get paid about half of the performance make on everyone. Wow. On 550, I must admit I'm not the obvious image of a decent husband, but I try. I don't think there's such a thing as obvious, right? Everyone has different ideas of what a good husband or human is. Can't say there's a, I guess there's like a stereotype, but you know, what good are stereotypes? A plus, please, 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 please. I'm still butthurt about the fact that there was an A plus setup before opening and it would have been a win in a minute. I am very much upset about that, but whatever. Should have actually maybe taken that full range one. Said screw it. What's up, Florida? How you doing? You have 6 toes? What? You really have 6 toes? I can't tell if you're being serious or not. If you are being serious, that's interesting. Not a bad way, it's genuinely interesting. It's low-key making an M formation on the 5th, well, actually everywhere. It's making a little bit of an M. I'm not really good with the formations though, so I could be very wrong with that. No, just making me sound weird. Okay, just checking. Stereotypical good for flower buying? Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Bootlicking. Yeah, man. Then finds out the kids in this, so.
Emotional damage.
Okay then. That was rough. Good. Brief, are you good? Aw, thanks, Mike. I appreciate that. I'm trying. Oh, wait, we have movement. Sorry. I got excited. Because if we have movement, it means... Let's do this. Let's do... Ah! Oh, damn. Maybe it's a good thing. I was gonna place a... a buy limit over here. That being said, would it have gone down? Oops, would it have gone down far enough? Went down a little bit further here. 1 point. Nah, we would have been fine. Shoot. Shucksy doodles. Would have been a good spot. I mean, it could reject off of there again. But normally, you know, first time's the charm situation. This is gonna be good. I'm asking. Oh damn. Okay, we're getting some drama over here. What's it looking like on the 1 minute? Not that much drama. Never mind, wasn't that dramatic. But we are getting movement. There we go. It is definitely a downward movement though. Sure. Shall we test this? Let's see if this was cheeky or not. Potentially cheeky. Could even get a rejection off of there. Come on, reject. Uh-oh. What did that project off of? The value gap? Well, it's not over yet, so... Let's see, went a little bit back down again. Still deciding if it's bullish or bearish. Still deciding. Break even. Okay, so break even trade, it went to 75%. Hey, there we go. Okay, a little break even, that's not bad, that's fine. Gotta be quick with these dudes, sure. Okay, how does it look on the main chart? Damn, NQ, calm down! ES, you can maybe do a little bit more. But... Bob to Bob again. This is getting a little bit excessive. Like I said, we're technically going sideways. Just with a lot of volatility. Not so much on ES. ES is going just slowly up. Hey, yo, Lucky, what's up? How we doing? Write down next question. Barbecue. You have us random. Let's wait for 1 hour and we're back, ladies and gentlemen. What's up, Lucky Luck? How's it going? I'm curious to see on the 1 minute on ES if we are going to just reject off of the 1 minute, the 1 minute. The 50% of the wick that's over there. Let's see. This is just curiosity getting the best of me. Statistic-wise, right now, This should go back up, but let's see if we're gonna reject or not. I know, Louis. And you know what's frustrating? I called them. This one I said this is going bob to bob. Damn, Nasdaq, calm down. Yeah, it did not reject off that 50% of that wick. Here we go. Nope, never mind that one. That would have been a loss. But luckily I was a little bit slow with that. Hello, how'd you book me? Hey, anyway, what assets do I normally trade? ES and MNQ. Mikuabe, what happened? Someone told me why some prop firms have blocked their services in the motherland. Which ones, Lucky? That's interesting, I didn't know that happened. Hey Silva, what's up? The force is strong with those time clusters. Okay. No, if we come back to first presenter, what about it? I'll put Apex. Let me ask for price action, it's not giving me what I want and I don't like it. True. Full age, I'm good. Is MNQ same as NQ or does the Nasdaq micro show different charts? The MNQ is micro Nasdaq futures, but does it show different charts? I think it's a little bit, they do vary slightly. Now it's running away. We got that for the day, 400 on the day. Hey, live sound, whoop, that's awesome! Is this seriously going bob to bob again? This is actually gonna give me a headache. So Mikwava, if you watch NQ and MNQ, like sometimes on NQ it would have wicked further down than it did on MNQ, for example. So like I said, they're they're basically exactly the same. Like I said, the pricing per contract's a little bit different, but sometimes they might vary slightly. Just a little bit though. Is OGT here? I think I broke the curse. A green Wednesday. I wonder. I'm pretty sure they're meant to be a mirror. They're not exactly the same, Mikuabe. Yeah, they're not exactly the same. I've done backtesting on it. On a backtest where maybe I wasn't, for example, I wasn't wicked out on MNQ, I was wicked out of NQ, or vice versa. Look at this little motherfucker go. Oh man, I can't say that anymore. Look at this little dude go. That's irritating. Hey Maya, it took a while guessing, so I've got a sneaky suspicion that. What? What makes you say that? Do I know why what? Sorry, Lucky, I feel like I missed something. What? Oh! Why? No, I don't. Is anyone else blocked with Apex in the motherland? Lucky, where you from? Where's the motherland for you? They do behave slightly different. It's the same though, even on different brokerages. Even if you see where Top 7 TV have different prices, into 5 used to be a nightmare for. There we go. Okay, so it's that. So they are basically same but different. Bobbed. So this is just going sideways in the exact same freaking range, just on a larger scale. This is gonna irritate me. In your face, living on motherland, and it's South Africa. Oh, yeah, no, Lucky, no, we are not. Yeah, we are very much banned and for a lot of them. So Apex, Lucid, My Funded Futures, TPT, Alpha is now allowed in South Africa, so that's cool. I think I don't want to make assumptions why, but yeah, we are part of the no-go. Sorry, I nearly booked you on the nose. What's wrong? Well, there's your problem when you make some money. What? That's subway worthy. Rude.
Emotional damage.
How dare you? Hello. Hello. Like I said though, Alpha is now allowed. So that is cool. Hello. But yeah, I mean like Violinox, Tradeify, Alpha, Top 1 Futures, oh my gosh. Funding ticks isn't really allowed. Tick Trader, Funded Next. All of those are allowed in South Africa. Like royalty, there we go. Guys, this is just not okay. I just want to get a trade. Please just give me a trade. Please, please, please. In the 5 minute, this doesn't look bad. CES is pushing though. Would have to go solidly below here though. Lucky. Never this is home. I mean, I don't mean you can't even understand. I said, he survived a zombie apocalypse. I heard the best place to survive would be New Zealand. Why New Zealand? What's a doomsday bunker there? I can't really criticize too much now. Gaming feature. I guess I should have taken it. Yep. I got distracted, damn it. What the heck? I get ready to nobody cares, need some liquidity before it retraces. People, how do I start combat with anyone? I already started by asking a random question or setting a random fact, but now it's getting quite immature. I need to grow up. What about hi? Should have taken that trade. That would have been a goodie. Oh well, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Uh-oh. Ah, no. Sorry. Low-key panic, but it's fine. Okay, we have $100. It's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Let the panic happen. Oh, it does look like it's going up. Okay, so it would have been full TP. That's fine. Let's try this one here. Don't mind me in my panicked state. It's a decent entry. I mean, it nearly took me out, don't get me wrong, but still good entry for ES. Do what Maya does and avoid them at all costs. You know what? I can't fault you on that one. This is a good rejection zone. This one might be questionable, but I guess, you know what, even if we end with a bit of a break-even day, it is what it is. Trying to decide if I take this one. Potentially not. I'm actually gonna leave it. I'll keep this up. Let's see if it does reject there. Or not. Pair it back into the first presented. Stop that. Damn, the first presented is strong today. What the heck? Wait, what was Lifesound's idea? Start a conversation of the way you like to have. They feel that's a mature city, then you're not. Then they're not your people. I might just get straight to the point. Lifetime has got to be a chicken-sized horse. Chicken-sized horse obviously has a vicious chicken eater. Not from the chicken theoretic. Yep. This New York is trash. What's up, OTT? I mean, if you're trading bob levels, it's flipping brilliant. I am bummed with myself. I had this trade set up and I didn't take it, but it's fine. It's fine. Whatever. Stuff happens. But shoot. The bob to bob level's on fire today, but it is just ranging between both of them. Skeletor, that was good. A spreadsheet walks into a bar, the bartender warns it not to move any tables around. My combos would start with Sup Goober looking snazzy. What brings you here? Louis? That's valid. Because we care what they think. Huh. And Robbie's back. Irritating. Anyways. Okay. Yeah, not loving this. Guys, could it please just give me a break and give me a freaking trade? OTT Life on this go. I had a Green London session. Not to brag. Green is green and making shmoney. Yeah, but now I'm grumpy because I want to trade. Feels like I've been sitting and watching this stupid thing the whole day. Waiting for an opportunity. I had one here, but it was pre-market. I don't trade pre-market. All week all my money was made in London. New York failing me. It might go back out. This is very irritating stuff right now. Just saying. Okay. Maybe that was coming. I was waiting for someone to take the bait. No, okay. Next opportunity, the first presented. No, I don't like where the stop loss is. Maybe that. Maybe I missed it. It might not be the So if I stuck with my original, this would have potentially been good. That being said, though, that's just me having FOMO. I feel like I'm actively having to stop myself from tilting right now. Yeah, I'm going to check it. It's not close to being finished. Okay. Oh, life sound butterfly. Okay. Actually, that's a good idea if I'm getting a little bit tilted. Good idea. Let's do butterfly of the day. We already have picked a page for butterfly of the day. Oh, thanks, life sound. You are correct though. Let's do butterfly of the day. Look at that being a winner. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Butterfly of the day. Let's do this. Like I said, we'd already picked a page this morning. And it's a goodie, so I'm sticking with it. Here we go. The Dusky Sapphire. Ta-da! How cool. Not that one. I've seen this one though. Guys, I've seen this one, but that's not today's. So on the outside, low-key a bit of a plain Jane. Well, that sounds mean, but low-key a bit of a plain Jane. Very pretty markings, but it just looks, you know, white. And then on the inside, it's this blue. Look at that, with the little poof poofs on the booty butt. Anyways, so the... Oh dear. And stop filled. Okay, that one was a little bit... No, I did like this one. Oh well, that one just clearly didn't work. Okay, so I see we're starting to have arguments again about which direction we're going. Okay. Okay, so I am literally at break even now. I'm sorry, I heard the order filled and I was like, okay, let's see what's happening. So back to butterfly. Back to butterfly of the day. So butterfly of the day. The Dusky Sapphire, wingspan of 25 to 30 millimeters. Okay, so it's a small boy. They congregate on top of thorn bushes, on rocky ridges, and red Kalahari sand dunes. So yeah, the distribution is succulent Karoo and arid savanna in the Northern Cape from Garries to Uppington and Kuruman, north to Namibia and Botswana. Oh, okay, so nowhere near me. Habitat is flatlands, rocky ledges, hilltops. Flight period is multiple summer broods, peak September and October. This is a very cool butterfly. Okay, and the Latin name is Lilias subinfuscata reynoldsi. Nailed it. Anyway, I say that's a banger butterfly of the day, if I do say so myself. Nice. Okay. Anyways. Back to this. Forget about really good London, just not trading New York yet. Looks like I'm not going to. Oh, sorry, let's actually go back where you can see the screens a little bit better. Real question, do butterflies glow in the dark? No. 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 I must yes, if I was home I would have caught trading on a laptop one screen hard. That's okay, OTT. Life Sound nailed it. I'm waiting for you to confirm if they do. What's up, Ninja? How you doing? Fun fact too, many sapphire butterflies have thin tails on their hind wings that look like antennae. When they land, they often wiggle these tails to create a false head. Oh, to, I don't know, confuse predators? ES looks nice. Can I just trade ES today? I mean, look at this. Okay, now it's going back up. Follow this for fun. Let's see how this works. Okay, a better rejection off of here. And a little bit of an inverse, but that's about all we got. Never mind. My palm half. Oh, cheers, Life Sound. Enjoy. Yeah, to confuse predators as hunter tiger. I'll never know. Hunted through why we have the uncanny valley, something that looks almost human. Used to hunt us. What? Why do we have the uncanny? What the heck? Okay, I'm a little bit terrified now. Anyways, moving on. What time is it even? 10:30. SpongeBob levels are actually... shouldn't really be traded anymore. It's making me mad. No, what's the uncanny valley theory? I'm intrigued. Okay, still just running away on the 15-second as well. See if it retraces slightly. Back up to Bob. And stop loss time. What's summon her? Oh, Ninja! Must be fake eyes on the back. They haven't because of evolution when the predators died out. Hey, like, casino? What? What about a casino? I have to break all-time highs again. You are correct. It does look like a giant Powerpuff, doesn't it, Louis? Literally. No, still nothing. The uncanny valley theory is the odd feeling you get when you see a robot or something that looks almost human, feels creepy and off, or like you should not be there. Dolls, mannequins. It's good, I think. I think he's just been busy. It's like a good trade on ES. That's irritating. ES looks like a really good trade. Let's see if it keeps rejecting off of this. See if it does. So I had to worry about a predator that looked almost human and it's stuck. I guess not secret work is free for anyone to use, but you're insane, you're able to automate it essentially. I thought he maybe took tracking or DC clones. Seriously, now you're on some demon chase with Sam and Dean. Oh, I wish. Just saying, Team Dean. Anyways. Okay. I'm trying so hard to not get absolutely freaking frustrated with this market today. I'm trying my best. Going back up. Cool. Team Jacob Ninja. You like the G. Okay. If you say so. Cheers, life sound, enjoy, have fun. Has anyone taken any more trades and you're just being quiet about it? Is anyone in on anything? Yes, no, maybe. What are you guys thinking? I'm just here contemplating my life choices. The 4-hour strategy today would have been a banger, just saying. And buys for 200 point TP. Damn, Monte, okay. Still just climbing, wow. If we break up above, might be able to get something. $10.40, we still have a little bit of time. I got wicked up twice with the open and blew the free account dead. Oh, Ninja, do you know what you get for those today? Don't worry, I got you. Those two percent is pretty insane. I have low one move but high RR. To be fair, that's not much of a difference between them both. Still going. Let's check the 15-second again. Yeah, this thing is just running away right now. Whoa! What the heck, man? Okay, now ES is starting to move. Took it a minute there. In multiple positions stacked 200 points in profit. But Ninja, could be that he took a buy and his TP is at 200 points above. Could be that, right? A wild Debbie appears. Okay, let's check the 15. Oh, pity, I kind of wanted to put one here. Would have missed, but... Whoop! Okay. Okie dokie then. Okie dokie then. This is starting to look a little bit risky, but let's see if we get a rejection off of there or not. Potentially not. Let's see. Hey, Cosmic, what's up? Shoot. I'm gonna leave this, but I don't think it's gonna reject off how I wanted to. Okay. I have a feeling if this thing drops, it's gonna drop properly. No, don't be a baby, just leave it there. Okay, let's see. No, not so much, Ninja. Not the same strategy. Okay, let's see. Excuse me. Here we go. No. This is gonna irritate me. Anyways, let's see. Hey, Cosmic, how's the trading been recently? Frustrating. Frustrating. Had a little win yesterday. That's cool. Nothing on Monday, and so far, nothing today. That's a lot. I missed a trade during London, and there was one A+ setup pre-market New York. And I don't trade pre-market. It would have been a winner. I'm a little bit bummed about it, but it's fine. You got 550, lucky just using. Here's what he used on TMP. No bots. Win rate to shut up. No drop. Still really good for the portfolio there. Okay. Here we go, 550. Oh, it was close, Louis. I feel like this is good enough. I might close it here. Go on then, Louis. Why not? SMC Creations, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? I just want to get a trade. Oh well. Let's see, same condition here. I was down from passing first phase. I don't know what's happened. I missed down one day. It's such a frustrating day. Yeah, Cosmic, this is rough. It's just rough. Like I said, it was technically... So technically NQ was just going sideways, just fast. Does that make sense? Yep. Oops. Cosmic, how long have I been in the market? What do you mean? Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. How's it going? Well, I mean, this morning I was on for just shy of 3 hours and now basically been here for nearly 2 hours? Yeah, 1.5 hours. Which is fun. Lots and lots of fun. Wow, this is going sideways. I missed something. How much of the percentage shot up and how much of the up? Kind of you have someone to talk to. True. Louis, what? What happened? What was a mind fudge? What was a mind fudge? To me, as I now literally can never say fluff anymore. Is anyone in any trades? Just I don't want to give me the 550. Yeah, it doesn't want to give it up. Go by. Sorry, Devontae, sorry. I was fixing something, and now now. I don't have any words for whatever this is right now, so. It's treating me like big worm messing with my money. It's like messing with my emotions. I want to see my high. Stop trading live stream. Devontae, that sounds like a terrible idea. Stream like absolutely terrible. Seriously, why would you do that? I mean, it's so close yet so far. Right, Louis? So close, yet so far. Okay. Okay. I'm disappointed in today. I think that's it. I'm disappointed. I feel like there should have been a lot of good trades. Literally not one, except for this one. Potentially could have been a quick win. I had basically nothing else. That's rough. That's really, really rough. Oh well. Lost the volume on ES. I was just looking at the 15-second now. Lost the volume, lost the push. 5 minutes to go. 28600 is your profit target. Nice. You want to pay? What's your entry? Two L's, one wouldn't break even on the day. Hey, Neptune, nice. Well done. That's not bad. Hey! Whoop whoop, Louis. Did it take you? Please say it tagged you. It should have. Louis? Yay! Way to go. I'm gonna put a whoop whoop because I'm saying it tagged him. Because it hit that 550. These retracement candles got me acting up. Yeah, it's hard. It's rough. Hey, well, whoop whoop, Louis. Well done. It did literally climb there oh so slowly. It went at a glacial pace to get there. Yeah, honey bunny. I added more at 550 and the market dipped. Like I said, we've lost a little bit of our oomph right now. $10.57. Wanna go rob a restaurant with me? Rob a restaurant? What? Why would you want to rob a restaurant? Make that make sense. Okay, 3 minutes until the new hour. Let's see, maybe... Just maybe. I mean, that's a shocking trade. I can't take that. Market is slow and steady. It's a sign of strength to continue the trend. Interesting. Does everyone agree with this? What, the slow and steady wins the race, right? Let's say all-time high, but I wouldn't chase that higher because it's trying to hurt everyone. Nope, sorry, even checking the 15 seconds, it's still very much meh right now. Oh, Demonte, you were thinking that. Let's see what this does. Maybe it would have been a goodie. I'm not convinced just yet. I'm not convinced. I think this could go a little bit lower and then potentially we continue up. British though. Oh, nice. Okay, 1 minute to go. Well, actually 8 seconds to go. Let's see. 4, 3, 2, 1. New hourly is going to bring us... I mean, it's pushing high on ES. No push coming right now off of NQ until now. Let's see. No, I don't want to trust. I'm not scared of this BS. I just don't want to trade it. Sweet and simply. It's not an A+ setup at all. No. Like I said, on ES, it's good. Oh, wait, actually, ES does look quite nice. Let's see here. Potentially. Oh dear. Wait, give me a second. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, whoopsies. There we go. A little bit messed up, but we're gonna go with it. Sorry. I don't know why it's a little bit messed up right now, but it's a little bit messed up right now. Oh, I know why. I fixed it. Nailed it. Okay, done. See if we get a tag in for this one. Potentially. Close. Still close. Not yet though. Now order's full. Confirms. Okay. Like I said, we've lost the momentum that we had earlier. That rejection should have been a lot stronger. Okay then. I mean, that was a big wick. What? Go further up, please. Good grief. Come on. Here we go. Okay, still watching this. Let's see. Come on. Let's go. Little momentum. You've got this. A little better. Nope, lost it. Still lost it. Hey, Mr. Pix, what's up? Sorry, I just saw your message now. How you doing? 5. Seven. Okay. Okay, well, it did hit 50. Oh, 75. Okay, break even. Oh, close. That was very close. Hey, there we go. Okay. Nice. Target filled up. 100. 100. 100. 15-second shot can be pretty fun. It's just so rude. I must find it more reliable for some reason. I don't know if that's just me. Probably just me. Ah, I see here that... Oh, I guess this would have at least been break even. Okay. Yo, no, okay. I'm gonna go. I can feel that I'm actually wanting to, just press a buy-in and say screw it. Just want to mark it in and be like, meh, whatever. Which is dangerous. That's my cue to be like, no, 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 don't do that. Do not do that. Yeah, when it's low volume, it can be reliable. Oh, no, Louis, I almost find it more reliable when there's a bit more volume, especially with how I have it. Like, it's quick in and out, boom, boom, done type of situation. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm frustrated, for lack of a better word. I mean, a good-ish day on the ES chart on the 15-second. Ended in the green. That's better than yesterday. See, I'm figuring out the ES. But no A+ for me today, unfortunately. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow, but it's fine, guys. I will then... Hey, Winston, I'm about to leave, sorry. I'm about to call it. Because I've had it, like, up to here. So, I love you guys madly. I will then be back tomorrow. Hopefully without this headache. But I love you guys madly. Okay. Another... Well, I say no trade. I got plenty of trades on ES. No trade with regards to the funder today. Oh well. Day trader, not everyday trader. I love you guys madly. See you tomorrow. London and New York session. We've got this. Yes. Trade safe, guys. Okay, bye.